covered in his GTR.
Oh my god. Alright.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the Ghost Flash channel, and today, let me get the better lighting. We're at the track once again. My boy Min brought out the GTR this time instead of the R8. He just did a run. He did a 10.7 in the quarter mile. I don't know what he trapped, but I'm about to go get him a quick video real quick of it because he plans on hitting 10.5 by the end of the night. He's just full bolt-ons right now with E85 and Michelin Super Sport tires. We just lowered the tire pressure down to 25, so he's about to do another run right now, and I'm about to get that on video for you guys today and for him as well. Hopefully he hits 10.5 by the end of the night. He already got threatened to be kicked out because he's running 10s without a cage and with short sleeve shirt. He's gonna full send. Let me get a ride along at the end of the day on his last run, because we'll probably get kicked out for that anyways. Mustang ran a 12.3. Min's over here in the GTR is making around 750 wheel horsepower, going up against a supercharged Roush supercharged 5.0. At 132.
And 6 drivers, suit up.
That was probably the quietest and slowest race I've ever seen. We got an old school Vet versus a Mercedes. Okay, changed my mind. That was the quietest one of all time. We got a Jeep Trackhawk. I'm excited to see this. Oh, the Trackhawk jumped. He got a little excited. I don't think he knows he's not supposed to do a burnout on the line. Integra 13.3, 13.5 for the 350Z. Turbo CRZ 11.4. So this Honda Civic specifically is Min's friend, Min, my coworker in the GTR. It's also right-hand drive and boosted. So this 5.0 appears to be bolt-ons. I did not see an intake manifold or anything like that. It just looked like he had exhaust and an intake. My body style 2011 versus a 2018 5.0. Oh, misshifted. He honestly would have beat that 2018 5.0 if he did not misshift.
Go ahead and suit up. You are going to get one more time trial pass before we go break. Ready for 8 drivers in your cars. We're going to get you down track one more time before we get into eliminations.
10.7 at a 132. We got a Roush Mustang versus a boosted Honda hatch.
I did the old, like, went inside, back out, I walked away. The V? No, I really want to get it.
Camaro 12.5, Mustang 11 flat. Wait, I read that wrong. 1050.
Robert in his GTR.
Oh my god. Alright, I can't wait for this straightaway. Feel my heart, man. Feel my heart. It's racing.
Oh wow.
I can't breathe.
Well, you better breathe, because if you die, I'm gonna crash too. It just sounds beautiful.
It sounds so good.